You know, say, when you hear that talk, don't mean I lick that. No hard feelings, never feel no way energy now.
That good.
What?
Me all did, you know, you know. Me all did, you know. Me all did. Don't you before you know. Yeah, sure.
She belongs to the streets.
People, it's your boy Prince and I'm back in the place with another video. Today I'm going to prank the XD family. If you know who that is, it's Ryan. So you're going to prank Ryan already, but I'm going to post the video as a son and hold on for another video. I'm going to prank him because they prank me. Because I never do nothing and then they just prank me. So don't say prank off the start. Because if you prank me, never prank you, but you can't see and just like an idiot. You see me so? But today I'm going to prank him. You see it. And he don't know about him. Kind of know because today he has something to tell him, but he don't know what. But you don't know what's in your video. That's it. Here we go, that's it. Here we go, people. So just play out. I hope they go good. Just pray they're gonna say go good, people. Here we go. Here we go, it is Brazilian now. So I call him. Wait the guy. This is his DP. What's up, DP? Yes. Yes, so I'll call him. Just press the answer. I'm not thinking my answer now because God knows what he might do. But here we go. It have ring. I just came out to it. Hello? What going, bro, God? Yeah, dog, you good? So things. Is it good? Things are good. Alright, sir. So you say. So yeah, dog. So remember I think I'm gonna tell a dog. No hard feelings there, promise you don't have no hard feelings. Dog, what in your background, man? Something in your background, it's too loud, you not hear what I say. Alright, then the construction working, so try to see if I can dress a far from that dog, you not hear being nice, you not hear a word what I say. Yeah, hear me? Alright, as me I say, make sure you don't have no hard feelings, no. You promise me that you're not get vexed or nothing in my you because I really mention on real shit. That's it, that I read my conscious. That's it, that I read my conscious. Yeah, while. But me happy tell you, see it. Yeah, man, but I said talk and then start talking, start feel offended by it, you know. Yo, you remember the girl way that talk to friend of a cup door? You know me I talk, what are you call? You remember she? You know say, when you hear that talk, don't mean I lick that. No hard feelings, never feel no way energy now.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You sure? You say?
She belongs to the street.
Yeah, me they ask you to say, but remember say you say you love the girl, you know.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? That nigga's tripping. Yeah, boy.
Wow, but yeah, watch a video of art feelings, just see. You don't really mean certain things. Yes, I say, guys, you think you can figure out your brand today. So that me all did, you know. Me I did, you know. Me I did. Touch before you know. Yeah, sure.
She belongs to the streets.
Say your daddy, so I hit me the one tell that because for a long time me I say me and my brother already I'm can't do this to you and me I hide the things of you. So me have to tell her for a long time. Me see it. Govern. That means if you're talking to me ex them, you know. You ever say that means you're talking to my ex, you see it? What you say? Yeah, ignore them. It was a little misunderstanding with her, you know, that she start moving me good and then me just accidentally split the lyrics them wrong, you see it? And the lyrics they end up go out to her as a different stage. As different version or whatever I want to be. That's nice, brother. Me have to tell her that because it make me feel uncomfortable because I come from far, you know, very far. Hey, me have to tell her that. They say, nah, I'm not over no girl. I've got crazy for you. I've got crazy for you. Think of myself. XD family. It was a prank. You see each other. As better people, if it kind of figure out something plan it because I try to fill up in brains, making curiosity right at that time, but yeah. So you see people.
You're playing smart, though.
Come on. People please like, share and subscribe and don't forget comment. You see the video it kind of go well because but you never get upset, but it went well and everything, so please remember to like, share and subscribe and don't forget to comment and tell me if you do. Pick up to yourself. You see, I'm going to give a shout out to Tamara. She is one of my YouTube fans that ever do video for me. It was her birthday Sunday and happy belated birthday to you, Tamara. Pick up yourself. You see it, so like, share and subscribe people, don't forget to comment. Bye bye.